To warm things up, we're starting with a situation that's very hard to avoid. The dashcam driver is cruising along, everyone minding their own business, and then boom. Sometimes it's worth double-checking that your wheels are properly tightened to save yourself and everyone else the trouble. I know cops sometimes have to stop suddenly and in unexpected places, but this officer probably picked the worst possible spot, pulling up right in the left turn lane and almost getting hit. The look on his face suggests his underwear might need changing. This might be the worst towing attempt I've ever seen. They just strapped a chain to a car and figured it would somehow work out, creating quite a mess on a Houston freeway. It looks like there was a second driver in the Saab trying to keep things under control, but the plan clearly didn't work out, and it's hard to believe the SUV driver just kept going. If you ever come back to your parked car and find shredded parts like the bumper, trims, and wheel arches, chances are it was a dog that wanted to get to an animal hiding underneath, and in this case, it actually succeeded. Alright, turning up the heat with a distracted cop. Nothing crazy going on at first, slow traffic, so maybe that's why he decided to check something on his laptop, drifted while taking a turn, and things went downhill from there. But guess what? He had no intention of taking the blame and came up with the most ridiculous excuse for it.
Bro, really? Yeah, bro. You just rear-ended me, come on! Dude, I'm on my way to a doctor.
Yeah, and I'm coming to pull you over.
This is a recent incident involving an angry driver and a group of cyclists in Atlanta, Georgia. The guy got seriously fed up with 9 cyclists taking up the entire lane and decided to teach them a lesson by sideswiping one of them.
All right, I got it on video. I got it on video.
Stop yelling at him. Stop hitting my car!
A guy in Palm Bay, Florida lost it after the driver in front of him stayed stopped at a green light waiting for traffic to move. He started honking, tailgating, and eventually followed them into a nearby plaza where he got out, started screaming threats, and punched the window.
I did not cut you off!
According to the person recording, the whole thing kicked off because the driver responded to his aggressive honking with a little hand gesture.